Their legs are like freakishly long. You can't see their cute little webbed feet with pretzels. It doesn't work. Yeah.
Where's the knife? Oh, thank you.
Yours are the most demented beavers ever. I feel like such a homeschooler. So do I.
You are a homeschooler.
You got homeschooled. You got home-coned. Oh, that doesn't work. Yeah, it does.
Oh, let me see yours up close, the one you finished.
I made that.
That is
beaver.
one awesome beaver made out of a Twinkie.
I made that beaver dam.
That's sweet.
And Ray made that one, a snowy one.
Oh no, my
Nothing like National Beaver Day in Canada for
Go
celebrations.
Canadians. Yay, Canadians.
Hey!
Those beavers are best friends.
Here's our Canadian beaver.
Can I do a Twinkie?
Just
No.
do whatever one you want.